As we celebrate this season of joy and gratitude, let us take a moment to honor the spirit that binds us together as one Bicol University community. Our shared commitment to learning, service, and compassion. Christmas reminds us that hope is strongest when it is shared and that our work as a university becomes meaningful when it uplifts lives and strengthens communities. To our BYU faculty, staff, students, alumni, and partners, thank you for your dedication throughout the year. Your presence is a gift, and your resilience, generosity, and unwavering service continue to illuminate the path forward for Bicol University. May this season bring peace to your homes, warmth to your families, and renewed inspiration for the years ahead. As one community, let us embrace the coming year with courage, unity, and a steadfast commitment to quality education and service to humanity. May our faith and collective prayers guide us always. May blessing overflow in each of our lives. Merry Christmas.